tell us how difficult
Nakarelate
that makes your work, Admiral. Kasi syempre, again, we come back to the fact that we're a democracy, everyone has an opinion, not everyone's united all the time, whereas of course, it's easier with China. They just draw one line, one party line, and that's it. Everyone speaks in the same, along the same tunes. But ikaw, for you, how much more difficult does it make your work? Especially, that comment was not from just anybody. It came from a sitting senator.
It came from our number one senator, Mr. Gina. Not just an ordinary senator.
Yeah.
So it's very difficult kasi para sa akin, no, hindi ko alam kung malulungkot ba ako. Siguro mas nakakalungkot, no, to believe na meron tayong senador na nagsasalitang tanggapin na lang natin na unggoy tayong lahat. At wag nating pagsurihin ng China kasi kasalanan agad ni Admiral Tariela yan. Dahil gumawa siya ng satire noong January. And probably that already speaks on where Senator Robin Padilla stands. And again, i-reiterate ko lang ulit at tanong kay Senator Robin Padilla, ano ang meron ng China? Bakit hindi natin mapagsorry? Pero ang isang katulad ko na kapwa mo Pilipino na hindi ko tinatanggap na unggoy ka, pero pinagsusori mo.
Admiral, communist daw siya eh. Ang China kasi communist eh.
Kaya pala.
So, nakita mo yung connect? May connect eh.
Communist. Communist pala si Senator Robin.
Siya nagsabi nun ha? Oo. Baka ma-red tag siya.
Na-monitor ko yun, Sir Ronald. Na communist nga daw siya.
Communist ang China. So,